Hi, my fellow investor. Welcome to my M1 Finance account. This is my dividend investing portfolio called the Moneymaker. So I'm here to give you guys my monthly update. So I just completed my 5th month of investing, and I'm here to share you how I did this month. But first thing, I'm going to show you how much I deposited this month. So for the month of May, I deposited 200, 700, 900, 1,100. 1300. Alright, so as you guys can see, I deposited 1300 the month of May. I'm trying to be more aggressive because I want to reach 10k by the end of the year. So as you guys can see, I deposited 500 bucks on May 19th. The only reason why I deposited 500 bucks because I sold my Visa stocks and my Robinhood, and the 500 bucks that I made, I invested it here on my M1 Finance account. I did that because I'm going to show it to you real quick. On my finance slice, I already have Visa in here, and I don't want to double the work. That's why I did that. Okay, now let's go back to my main page so that we can start going through my pie. For you guys who are new to my channel, my Moneymaker pie consists of 85% stocks, 10% real estate, and 5% bonds. Alright, let's dive in and see how my Moneymaker performed this month. Let's go to my stocks, which is 85% of my pie. Let's change this to 1 month. Let's go to my industrial, which is 13% of my stocks slice. This month, Lockheed Martin gained $1.95, which is up 1.58%. Caterpillar, I gained $2.82, which is up 2.59%. Honeywell International, I gained $8.72, which is up 8.75%. General Dynamics, I gained $7.80, which is up 8.46%. United Parcel Service, or UPS, I gained $5.78, which is up 6.64%. My only loser for this month is Raytheon Technology, which is down 51 cents, which is 0.76%. 51 cents loss is not that bad compared to my gains. Waste Management, I gained $4.19, which is up 6.83%. My best performer for this month is Honeywell International. For this month, my industrial gained $27.93, which is up 4.39%. My earned dividends is $3.26. Now let's go to technology, which is 15% of my stocks slice. Nvidia, I gained $31.78, which is a whopping return of 19.14%. Cisco, I gained $14.76, which is up 10.25%. IBM, I lost $1.80, which is down 1.19%. Skyworks, I gained $14.83, which is up 12.47%. Microsoft, I lost 41 cents, which is down 0.73%. Only have 2 losers for my technology this month, but overall, my technology won. Technology, I gained $59.16. The return is 9.86%. My earned dividends is $2.81. Consumer defensive, it's 10% of my stocks slice. Costco, I gained $2.02, which is 0.93%. PepsiCo, I lost $2.03, which is down 1.31%. Procter & Gamble, I lost 53 cents, which is down 0.42%. Walmart, I gained 67 cents, which is 0.55%. My consumer defensive this month, I gained a whopping 13 cents, which is 0.02% return. My earned dividends is 90 cents. As you guys can see, I actually lost this week when it comes to the market gain, but what made me gain 13 cents was my earned dividends. So consumer defensive is still a winner for this month. You guys already know no dividend, we're gonna save that for last. So let's go to my consumer cyclical, which is 12% of my stocks slice. Home Depot, I gained $18.18, which is up 11.82%. McDonald's, I gained 99 cents, which is up 0.61%. Lowe's, I gained $10.86, which is a whopping return of 23.64%. Nike, I gained $6.25, which is 13.50% return. My consumer cyclical this month, I gained $36.28, which is up 8.88%. My earned dividends is $1.35. Let's go to finance, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Goldman Sachs, I gained $6.44, which is up 6.03%. Visa, I gained $7.60, which is up 7.52%. JP Morgan, I gained $1.42, which is up 1.63%. American Express, I gained 63 cents, which is up 0.70%. Royal Bank of Canada, I gain $1.31, which is up 3.08%. So my finance stocks are all winners this month. Alright, so my finance, I gained $17.40 this month. My return is 4.08%. My earned dividends is 96 cents. Alright, let's go to healthcare, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I gain a whopping $1.43, which is 0.58%. United Health Group, I gain $10.64, which is 6.53%. My healthcare this month, I gain $12.07, which is 2.95%. My dividends is $3.79. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Alright, let's go to utilities. It's 5% of my stocks slice. Next are energy, I gain $8.67, which is 9.69% return. WEC Energy, I gain $1.03, which is 1.78% return. Duke Energy, I gain 58 cents, which is 0.92% return. So again, all of these are winner for this month. Utilities, I gain $10.28 this month. My return is 4.88%. My earned dividends is $1.04. Communication, it's 5% of my stock slice. Verizon, I gain a whopping 14 cents, which is 0.13% return. Activision Blizzard, I gain $4.84, which is up 10.25%. I wonder if Call of Duty Warzone has anything to do with the gain this month, but if you guys haven't played that game, I urge you to play it. It's actually pretty nice, and it's a good thing to do during quarantine. NetEase, I gain $4.23, which is up 8.61%. So my communication this month, I gained $9.21, which is up 4.55%. I did not earn any dividends. The last 5% of my stocks is energy. Chevron Corporation, I lost $2.38, which is down 1.60%. Magellan Midstream Partners, I gained $4.97, which is 8.44%. My energy this month, I gained $2.59. The return is 1.25%. So you guys can see the market gains I actually lost, but what made me a winner is my earned dividends, which is $3.24. Alright, now let's go back to my no dividends, which is 15% of my stocks slice. By the way, my no dividend used to be 10%, but I kind of want to grow the stocks within this slice. That's why I increased it to 15%. Alright, for this month, Tesla, I gained $4.07, which is up 4.75%. Amazon, I gained $1.73, which is up 2.13%. Google, I gained $3.95, which is up 6.24%. Shopify, I gained $3.77, which is up 8.85%. Netflix, I lost 38 cents, which is down 0.97%. Facebook, I gained 83 cents, which is up 1.67%. Illumina, I gained $2.82, which is up 14.18%. Dexcom, I gained $1.19, which is up 5.92%. As you guys can see, all my no dividends won this month, except Netflix. Like I said, Netflix might go down because there are more stuff to do outside now since this pandemic happened. My no dividends, I gained $17.17 this month. My return is 4.02%. As you guys can see, my stocks slice won this month. I don't see any losers. For this month, my stocks gained $192.22, which is 4.63% return. My dividends is $17.35. Wow, this is actually increasing, and hopefully this will get to 1,000 someday. Maybe not 2 years or 5 years from now, but someday I'm pretty sure this will get to $1,000. Now let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. This month, American Tower, I gained $18.60, which is up 10.56%. Public storage, I gained $15, which is up 9.84%. Digital Realty Trust, I lost $1.60, which is down 1.20%. Well Tower, I gained $1.55, which is up 2.74%. All my stocks from my real estate won, except Digital Realty Trust. But $1.60 is not that bad. For this month, my real estate gained $33.55, which is 6.48% return. My earned dividends is 74 cents. Alright, now let's go to my last slice of my pie, which is bonds. It consists 5% of my pie. My bond, I only have a Vanguard Total Bond Market, and it performed pretty good this month. I gained $3.13, which is 0.65% return. My earned dividends is 88 cents. So as you guys can see for this month, I can actually celebrate because all of my slices won. Real estate has the most gain, which is 6.48%. Alright, so for this month, my money maker, I gained $228.90, which is 4.44% return. And my earned dividends is $18.97. Hopefully, like I said, this will get to $1,000 a month. But we'll see. It may take a long time, but it will get there someday. So that's it. That's how my money maker performed this month. I'll see you guys again. And of course, stay strong on your investing game. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.